Welcome to Building Multimodal AI Workflows with Pixeltable. This was originally designed as a workshop for the Vanish Ingredients podcast and newsletter with Hugo Baun-Anderson. We had over 300 people join us for the workshop, and so many more have streamed it, but we wanted to really slow it down and break it down for you guys. Hi, my name is Allison, and in this tutorial series, we're going to walk through a series of notebooks that help you build a fully working end-to-end code project using just Python. This project is going to be a multimodal AI workflow. So if you've been struggling with how to work with multimodal data like images, videos, documents, then this project is for you. We're going to have fun because we're going to be using some videos, which are one of the hardest modalities to work with. So this series has 3 acts. The first is data-centric workflows. The second is iterating with data. And in the final act, we're going to generate from data. In the final act, we'll generate dioramas from scenes in The Queen's Gambit, and dioramas inspired by scenes from Only Murders in the Building. Everything that you need to follow along with us is here in this GitHub repository. It includes all 3 notebooks, as well as all image and video source files.